The second one is what she reported to me, which is if he was going to leave her to de-escalate from the fight, she would strike him to keep him there. She would rather be in a fight than have him leave.
Appeal win. Unsealed testimony ruins Amber's foundation for appeal. One of the biggest mistakes Amber would ever make is filing for an appeal against the U.S. verdict, because another hint suggests that the Aquaman actress has a slender chance of winning. Keep watching to find out more. The video of Dr. Laurel Anderson's testimony made the internet, and fans are more convinced that Amber has lost her chance of winning the appeal. You may wonder who Dr. Anderson is. Well, she is the ex-couple's former marriage counselor who told a courtroom the couple engaged in what she saw as mutual abuse. Dr. Laurel Anderson was called as a witness as part of the defamation trial, where she was asked about some of her past sessions with the pair. But the public was quick to forget that Dr. Anderson mentioned that she had disapproved of Amber's TRO petition in Los Angeles because she said Amber tried to change the rules. The interesting part of Anderson's testimony is where she pointed out that Amber Heard said she'd have an advantage if she leaves him but files for abuse first.
To the last snippet from that session, will she have advantage if she leaves him but files with police for abuse first? Was that a question that she asked you?
Yes, this was her talking out loud, trying to strategize for herself.
Isn't that insane? It all makes sense now. Amber's plan was to publicly serve Johnny Depp with a restraining order if he did not continue financially supporting her lifestyle after she filed for divorce. It all started when a letter was sent by Heard's attorney to Depp's legal team in May 2016, just a few days after the actress filed to end their marriage following a fight at their home. Through her lawyer, Heard issued a list of financial and property demands, with the Aquaman star promising to keep this matter out of the spotlight if her requests were granted. Among her demands was the exclusive use and possession of the black Range Rover she drove, with Depp continuing to make payments towards the vehicle. She also wanted to carry on living rent-free in 3 Los Angeles penthouses she and her friends were staying in, all owned by Depp, and asked for her estranged husband to cover $125,000 of her legal and accounting fees. According to Amber's declaration for the restraining order, she stated that she is extremely afraid of Johnny and that his relationship with reality oscillates depending on his interaction with alcohol and drugs. But in a response, Depp's team wrote, her current application for a temporary restraining order, along with her financial requests, appears to be in response to the negative media attention she received earlier this week after filing for divorce. Yet, Johnny cannot protect himself or Amber from media scrutiny, and Amber's anger certainly cannot drive this dissolution proceeding. Apparently, the Aquaman actress threatened JD with a restraining order if he refused to financially support her after she filed for divorce. And since the amazing pirate refused to yield to the ridiculous demands, Amber filed for the TRO. Clearly, the letter is yet another piece of evidence that shows the difficult tactics Heard used during and after her marriage to Depp, and with Dr. Anderson's testimony, we now understand how manipulative Amber was. See you next time for more entertainment.